We make money off of war. We profit off of that. Our dollar becomes stronger. So we'll get to this in a second. I'll show you guys. Like we're hitting a support line, and I think that we're going to see a little bit of a bullish move for DXY, which is it might be what we're seeing now with the adverse effect on gold actually coming down. But big picture, I can still see DXY coming down if war doesn't happen. Right? If war happens, I will expect that DXY and gold will actually move the same way for a little while, and we'll start seeing a drop in stocks. So with that expectation and seeing like just thinking about the emotional connection to money, people want to be safe with what they have. They will actually turn it around, invest in gold rather than stocks. So there you go.
Yeah. And if these tensions continue, guys, remember, even in certain stock areas where we'll see falls, there's also money in the companies that, you know, put in those weapons, right? That manufacture a lot of those weapons that are used over there. In the current time frames we're in, we are using different sets of weapons. Who knows what they're using as far as technologically with advances are concerned. So do your research, right? Check and see what companies supply the United States or some of these countries, you know, with what they're using. They're always going to need more and more supply of that through the war for bullets or anything that is necessary. It's definitely smart to consider looking in that direction as you're adjusting maybe your stock portfolio or whatever during this time. Now, before we get into the gritty of things, I do want to share this clip real quick, and this is going to segue us into a lot of other things that we wanted to be smart about taking advantage of in these markets. Okay.